Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In this video session, I'm going to provide you multiple choice question of chapter number 3. Chapter number 3 is about programming fundamentals. First question is about what does HTML stands for? HTML किस चीज का मुखफ़फ़ है? Hyperlink and text markup language, home tool markup language, hypertext markup language, and hyper transfer machine. The correct option is hypertext markup language. Question number 2. Which tag is used for inserting a line break in HTML? A line break. Option A is LB, means line break. BR means break itself, and D option is line. The correct option is BR, tag is used to break a line in HTML. Question number 3 is which attribute is used to provide an image path in HTML? That is href, source, link, and image. The correct option is source. src is used to provide the path of an image that you want to insert in HTML. Question 4. CSS stands for Computer Style Sheet, Cascade Style Sheets, Creative Style Script, Color Styling Sheet. The correct option is Cascading Style Sheet is the correct option because CS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. Which of these is used to apply CSS to HTML? By using CSS tag, by using style tag, by using link CSS tag, or script. The correct option is style, and then you are using this tag. Style tag is used to apply the CSS in HTML. Which property in CSS is used to change text color? Option A is BG color. Option B is font color. Option C is color. Option D is text color. The correct option is color property is used to change the text color. Question number 7. What is the correct way to write a CSS comment? Mean you write only double slash, that is comment, number sign comment, or this less than sign of exclamation and dash comment, or slash asterisk comment asterisk this. This is the correct way to apply the comment, because suppose you have these statements are written and you want to apply the comment. Start with slash, end with also slash, and inside this you will write the asterisk. This is the correct way to apply the comment, that is multi-line comment in CSS. What does JavaScript primarily add to a web page? Style. Option A is style. Option B is structure. Option C is interactivity. Option D is content only. The correct option is interactivity. Interactivity is added by the JavaScript into the web page. Question number 9. Which keyword is used to declare a variable in JavaScript? By using var, int, string, define. The correct option is the var. You can use var to define, to declare a variable in JavaScript. Question number 10. JavaScript is mainly used for which site? In option A is server side, B option is client side, C option is backend only, D option is database. The correct option is JavaScript is mainly used for client side. How do you call a function in JavaScript? आप JavaScript में function को कैसे call करते हैं? By writing call function से, run function से, function and semicolon, or just you can write function and parentheses. The correct option is this. You will write function and then parentheses to call a function. The symbol double equal in JavaScript means for what? It's used for assignment statement. Option B is strict equality. Number 3 is comparison, and number 4th mean option D is type checking. The correct option is comparison, because single equal is used to assign a value to a variable, that is called assignment statement, while double equal is used to compare the result between two variables, just like you can write a equal to 10. This is comparison statement. And assignment statement, just you can say b equal to 30. Here value of b is assigned to be variable 30. Okay, this is assignment statement. This is assignment statement. This is comparison statement. A equal to 10. That is comparison operator. Question number 13. Which symbol is used for single line comment? You can use numbers sign, hashtag, or double slash, or this one just like multi comments in CSS, or this, because they are talking about single line comment, and this is the correct option, that is B is the single line comment. Question number 14. What does DOM stands for? DOM stands for document object model, data object module, display output mode, and document output mode. The correct option is document object model is the correct option for the DOM. Question number 15. Which method can output text in the browse console? Print, log, document.write, console.log. The correct option is console.log is used to output text in the browser console mode. The HTML head tag is used to display the main body, store title, meta and links, create headers, contain script only. The correct option is HTML head tag is used to store title, meta and links. Question 17. Which CSS property control the size of the text? It's a font size, text size, or just size, or font. The correct option is font size property is used to control the size of the text in CSS. HTML is a dash language, programming language, styling language, or markup language, or scripting language. The correct option is markup. HTML is a markup language. Which tag is used to create a hyperlink in HTML? Tag A, used for anchor tags to create a hyperlink, or just link tag, or href tag, or third one option is hyper. The correct option is tag A is used to create a hyperlink in HTML. Which HTML elements defines the title shown in the browser tab? Meta, title, H1 or head? The correct option is the title. Title is used to define the title shown on the browser. Which CSS selectors select all paragraph elements, that is with .p, number sign p, hash p, or just p or $p? The correct option is just p is used to select all paragraph elements. How do you link in external CSS file to HTML? आप कोई भी external जो CSS की फाइल होती है वो HTML के साथ कैसे लिंक करते हैं? क्या उसमें आप CSS लिखते हैं, फिर सोर्स देते हैं जो आपने फाइल अटैच करनी हो, या फिर लिंक rel इक्वल टू स्टाइल शीट और href स्टाइल शीट लिखते हो, या फिर स्टाइल सोर्स लिखते हो, या फिर स्क्रिप्ट href और style.css लिखते हो? The correct option is you have to write link rel equal to style sheet and href equal to next is part of the style sheet that you want to attach with the HTML. In this case, the correct option is the B. Which event occurs when user clicks on an HTML elements? Obviously, here they are talking about click, and you are say that the correct option is on click, not on hover, not on mouse, not on change. The correct option is on click. Which JavaScript function is used to debug code? Error, throw, alert, console.log. The correct option is console.log. Question number 25. To create a dynamic website, what you will use? Only HTML, HTML plus CSS, or HTML plus JavaScript, or static file? You should use HTML plus JavaScript for dynamic websites. Question number 26. Which is a valid JavaScript data type? That is float, integer, boolean, decimal. In this case, you can see C is the best option. Boolean is a valid JavaScript data type. So these are the keys, answer keys. You can refer to all answers. You can check what I have given the answer that is matched with this key. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Student, please provide me the answer of these two challenges questions. You should write the answer in comment. Challenge question number 1. Which of the following best describe the relationship between HTML, CSS and JavaScript in a web page? There are three things: HTML, CSS and JavaScript. What is the use of this? Option A. HTML style content, CSS handle logic, JavaScript provide structure. B option is HTML structure content, CSS used to style it, and JavaScript used to add interactivity. Third option is that is option C. CSS used to structure layout, HTML creates the logic, and JavaScript manages SEO. Fourth option is HTML and CSS are used only for backend development. Which one is the correct option? Just you can write me in comment. Second question. In JavaScript, what is the difference between double equal and triple equal? Option A is no difference. Option B is double equal checks type and value, while triple equal checks value only. Option C is double equal checks value only and triple equal checks type and value. Option fourth, that is option D, triple equal is only used in CSS. Which one is the best or correct answer, correct option? Just write me in comment. And student, if you have any doubts, you can ask me in comment. And I hope this video will be useful for all the students. Please subscribe my channel, share this link with your friends, and be connected with me. Jazakallah khair.